Must-watch Shiba Inu CEO has a message to all SHIB holders. Satoshi has finally released the first of many Medium blog posts that are supposed to elaborate on Shibarium and tell us exactly what we are to expect from the platform. You already know that we'll be talking about the content of that blog post and what it means for us in the long run, so watch this video till the end. Hello SHIB Army! Welcome to Crypto Trader, a destination for SHIB holders. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all SHIB news and predictions. Make sure to turn on the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now to the main topic. The blog post is titled Shibarium. The invite and one of the focuses of the post is to welcome everyone to Shibarium. Now, of course, this welcome is not to say that Shibarium has been launched, considering that it is just the first in a series of blog posts that Satoshi will be published in the coming days. It looks like the welcome, which was written in many different languages and addressed to a number of different cultures, is to usher us into what could be called the era of Shibarium. So, basically, Shibarium is officially coming. But there are other things that are mentioned in the blog post. Satoshi talks about how divided society is and how disconnected we have become from one another due to differences in values, beliefs, and thoughts. But he believes that these disconnections and divisions are an illusion and that Shibarium could be a tool that helps repair the fractures and bring everyone together. One of the reasons he believes this is because Shibarium, as a Layer 2 blockchain, anyone and everyone will be able to build a digital product on the platform. It will be truly decentralized. Satoshi also went on to explain how everyone will be able to find Shibarium useful. SHIB Army will be able to utilize its Shiba Inu digital assets, and the wider crypto market will be able to create whatever they want, provided it is not detrimental to the Shiba Inu market and the wider crypto market. Then he went ahead to expound on what he calls Shibarium's common values. There are 4 of them, including burn, protect, help, and grow. He said that the core Shibarium team is dedicated to burning SHIB on every Shibarium project. They are also committed to protecting the project against the fudders and want all hands to be on deck. He mentioned that Shibarium projects will be big on helping and contributing something to the larger community. But more than burning and donating, Shibarium projects will put a portion of their profits into the SHIB.edo Foundation to help people, which is the growth aspect of things. Satoshi stresses that he understands that not every single Shibarium project will be able to achieve all 4 values, but he does believe that all 4 must, at least, be considered when a Shibarium project is being developed, and, according to him, based on global GDP, even a small percentage of thriving portfolios would allow us to implement this plan to an exponential degree. This, in turn, will give us the opportunity to shift the world's consciousness away from the greed of capitalism to a healthier, hybridized approach, one where people can still profit from their hard work and expertise, but know in their hearts they are also helping move the community forward. He wrapped up the blog with appeals to the public, paying particular attention to different religions and languages. Then he talked about what we can expect from the next blog. In the new blog, Satoshi will be doing a review of the year 2022, both good and bad. Subsequent blogs will discuss FED, intake forms, technical details of the L2, tokenization for new projects, and the launch of Shibarium Beta. So, it looks like there's a fun ride ahead of us, and you can be sure that you'll find all the information on all subsequent blogs on this channel. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. All of that said, Voyager just transferred a huge amount of SHIB to Coinbase. Voyager transferred 250 billion SHIB to Coinbase, but SHIB was not the only token that was transferred out. Voyager, which is a crypto brokerage company that is now bankrupt, has transferred millions worth of ETH as well to both Binance and Coinbase. Now, considering that Voyager is bankrupt, it is easy to think that they are transferring out all this crypto to save their necks. But, first off, no one knows for sure why Voyager is deciding to send that many cryptos to crypto exchanges. So yay, there is a possibility that they are selling off, but there is also a possibility that they are trying to hold, especially with their SHIB tokens. Shibarium is going to be launched anytime soon. I mean, we just talked about the Shibarium blog that was just published, so it would make more sense if they were moving their tokens to the exchange platforms to hold them. At least, that's what I think. What do you think? Speaking of, a whopping 68% of SHIB order volume in the market is buying. This is quite interesting considering the huge movement that Voyager made. While I think they were moving their tokens to Coinbase to hold them, the fact that they moved out of tokens from their possession would have been considered a sell by the market, and typically, a high sell results in more sales, market-wide. But there have been a lot more purchases than sales. The high rate of purchases is also interesting because, unfortunately, The price of SHIB took a bit of a dip recently, where you would think that investors would decide to wait things out and see how the token bounces back. It looks like people have actually been using this as an opportunity to buy a lot more SHIB for less. According to you today, despite these bearish indicators, the buying side volume of SHIB has seen a significant increase, suggesting that investors are becoming more interested in the token. This can be seen as a positive sign for SHIB, as it indicates that the market sentiment toward the token is improving. The recent increase in buying side volume suggests that investors are becoming more confident in the token's potential. So, not only is it incredible that investors have been buying regardless of the drop, the high rate of purchases could actually be the price rescue that Shiba Inu needs right now. Now, to general crypto news. A recent study by the real estate data company Clever found that 69% of respondents believe the United States is now experiencing a recession, and that nearly 3 out of 4 Americans are concerned one will occur this year. What's more, according to 55% of research participants, they would lose everything if an American recession actually happened. What's more, that same poll showed that 2 out of every 3 Americans are concerned about how the economic impact of the COVID-19 outbreak and the Ukraine-Russian conflict will continue. The U.S. stock market, which 38% of respondents expect to decline, is the most often mentioned market with regards to declining. Almost 33% of those polled say the crypto market will crash, 28% think it will be the job market, and 27% think it will be the housing market. The study also reveals that 22% of Clever's poll respondents believe that the United States had not experienced a single prosperous year in the previous 10 years. So yay, many people expect a market-wide financial crash. But, specifically, a number of people expect the crypto market to crash this year. Thankfully, that number isn't that high, which goes to show that most people are positive about the crypto market. But I want to hear what you think. Are you positive about the crypto market in 2023, or do you think everything will come crashing down? Also, what do you think would be Shiba Inu's fate in all of this? To end on a positive note, BTC hit $25,000 recently for the first time since August, and analysts have been talking about why they think this is happening now. Some think it is just a short squeeze, which is basically a situation where an unexpected rise in price leads to even further price pumps. Some other analysts think that the price pumps are a result of tax loss harvesting, while some others think it is happening because some crypto investors have been moving away from altcoins and investing more in BTC. Of course, the real reason could be a combination of all of those issues or nothing at all. But whatever it is, some analysts have already started questioning whether or not this is something that will last. We'll just have to wait and see. But please, consider sharing your opinion on this in the comments section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video then, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your views on the Shiba Inu coin in the comment section. Make sure to turn on the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Before ending this, kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed toward bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide-spectrum research on the topic. Good luck!